The 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 6 Newtons is a high-performance electric sedan that brings Hyundai's N brand motorsport expertise to the EV segment. It is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system producing up to 478 kilowatts, is approximately equal to 650 PS, with the N Grin boost, enabling it to accelerate from 0-100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The car features N Drift Optimizer, allowing drivers to adjust torque distribution between the front and rear axles for controlled oversteer, making it ideal for drifting and track-focused driving. Handling is enhanced with stroke-sensing dampers, performance tires, and a tuned suspension setup to maintain stability at high speeds. The IONIQ 6 Newtons is equipped with an 84 kilowatt-hours high-voltage battery with advanced thermal management, supporting DC fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, which can charge the battery from 10–80% in roughly 18 minutes. The interior focuses on driver engagement, featuring N eShift, N Active Sound Plus, and dynamic torque distribution controls to simulate traditional sports car feedback in an EV. Overall, the Hyundai IONIQ 6 Newtons blends track-ready performance, advanced EV technology, and everyday usability, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a high-powered, electric, and fun-to-drive sedan.